Kamikaze drone hit Russians' Bukhanka in Kherson region. On the left bank of the temporarily occupied Kherson region, a Ukrainian kamikaze drone operator detected and attacked a vehicle of the Russian occupiers. The video of the destruction of the enemy UAZ was published on the Sternenko Telegram channel. The reconnaissance group Oceans 12 worked. According to Kyiv, drone production in Ukraine has increased more than 100-fold since the start of the Russian invasion. The country is developing its own models, but there are challenges. Since the start of Russia's large-scale attack in February 2022, demand from the Ukrainian military has surged, and combat drones have become a crucial factor in battles with Russian invaders. Depending on the model, the unmanned aerial vehicles can be deployed both for reconnaissance and to fire on enemy targets. Since then, many smaller and larger companies in Ukraine have started developing their own systems. In the category of first-person view drones, controlled from the perspective of a virtual pilot on board, experts single out the models Pegasus, Bucha, Bat and Vampire. The vertical takeoff multicopter drones are capable of carrying and dropping small bombs. These drones are procured for the Ukrainian army through fundraising and as part of the government's Drone Army project.